This video is about SAT problems a plus b squared and a squared minus b squared. Then you need to remember two special formula like a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Then for a minus b squared, you will get the a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Then for this formula, and we need to figure out the a squared plus b squared. Then you need to subtract 2ab from a plus b squared. So you will get a plus b squared. Then you need to minus 2ab. Then you will get a squared plus b squared. For this formula, we still need to figure out that a squared plus b squared. You need to add 2ab to a minus b squared. Therefore, you will get a minus b squared. You need to add 2ab. So these two formula is very important when you do some question for SAT. That is over here now. So for SAT part, you need to memorize a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If here's minus, then this part is minus. Then for factor, that will be a squared minus b squared. You get a plus b times a minus b. Then if you need to work out that a squared plus b squared, then use this formula. Okay, so for number 1, if x minus y squared equals 50 and xy equals 8, what's the value of x squared plus y squared? We're using that x minus y squared. You will get the x squared minus 2xy, then plus y squared. Therefore, I add 2xy both sides. You will get the x squared plus y squared. It will be x minus y squared plus 2xy. Then I need to plug in, this is a 50. Then plus 2 times 8. This is a 16, so 50 plus 16, it will be 66. That will be the answer now. Now for number 2, a minus b equals p, and then a plus b equals q. What's the value for a squared minus b squared? A squared minus b squared, we factor, you will get the a plus b times a minus b. Therefore, for a plus b is k times p. That's the answer. For number 3, 3x plus k squared equals 9x squared minus 30x plus k squared. What's the value of k? First of all, you need to expand like 3x plus k squared using a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 3x plus k squared, you will get 9x squared plus these two multiply, that's 3xk. Then multiply by 2, you will get the 6xk or 6kx. Then plus k squared. It will be equals to this one. So I will bring down, that will be 9x squared minus 30x plus k squared. Then both sides I need to minus k squared, then minus 9x squared. You will get the 6kx equals negative 30x. Then you could see that 6k equals to negative 30, then k equals negative 5. That's the answer. For number 4, if x minus y squared equals 29 and xy equals 10, what's the value of x plus y squared? First of all, for x plus y squared, you will get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So you need to figure out that x squared plus y squared. From this one, the x minus y squared, you will get x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And we add 2x, then you will get the x squared plus y squared equals x minus y squared plus 2xy. And for x minus y squared is 29 plus 2 times 10. You will get the x squared plus y squared. This will be 49. So I plug in here. For x squared plus y squared will be 49. Then plus 2xy, that means 2 times 10. That will be 20. So 69 will be the final answer. For number 5, if y plus 1 over y squared equals 13, what's the value of y squared plus 1 over y squared? Still, I need to do this first. That's y plus 1 over y squared. That means y squared plus 2ab, that means y times 1 over y, then times 2. Reduce, you will get the 2, so plus 2. Then plus 1 over y squared means 1 over y squared. And so I reorganize, that means y squared plus 1 over y squared plus 2, you will get y plus 1 over y squared. So you need to minus 2 both sides. Therefore, you will get the y squared plus 1 over y squared and equals. For y plus 1 over y squared equals 13. So you will get the 13, then minus 2. Therefore, you will get 11. So 11 will be the answer. For number 6, if px plus k squared equals 9x squared minus qx plus 25, what's the value of q? First of all, we will get px plus k squared, that means p squared x squared, then plus 2 times px times k, that will be pkx, then plus k squared. You will get 9x squared minus qx plus 25. Therefore, you will get p squared equals 9. P squared equals 9. And k squared equals 25. K squared equals 25. And 2pk equals negative q. Therefore, from p squared, you can get p equals positive or minus 3. From k squared equals to 25, you will get k equals plus or minus 5. Since q is positive, pk multiply get the negative number, which means there will be the two situations for p and q. So when p is positive, then your k will be negative. Therefore, when p is 3, then k will be negative 5. If k is negative 3, then k will be positive 5. No matter what situation they multiply, you will get negative 15. So I plug in here 2 times negative 15. That means negative q. So you will get that equals negative 30. Therefore, q will be equals to 30. Because negative q equals negative 30. Therefore, q equals 30. That's the answer. For number 7, 2x plus k squared equals 4x squared plus 20x plus s. What's the value of s minus k? So we need to figure out the 2x plus k squared. That will be 4x squared plus multiply times 2. That means 4kx plus k squared equals 4x squared. Bring this down here. Plus 20x plus s. Then you will get 4k equals 20. 4k equals 20. And you will set up k squared equals s. So get the k squared equals s. From first equation, you could see k equals 5. Then from second equation, you will get the s equals 25. Therefore, s minus k will be 25 minus 5 is 20. That's the answer.